are sagging or loose skin along the lower part of the face, specifically around the jawline and chin. They occur when the skin loses its elasticity and begins to droop, often creating a less defined jawline. Hello and welcome back. I'm Adria, your health and nutrition coach, transforming life naturally. Today we will talk about jowls. Jowls are a natural part of aging for many people, though the severity can vary. Why jowls form? Result from the breakdown of collagen and elastin in the skin combined with changes in underlying fat, muscles, and bone structure. Over time, gravity also contributes to pulling the skin downwards, exacerbating the effect. Common associations are aging and skin thinning, loss of facial fats or muscle tone, environmental damage, example sun exposure, pollution, genetic, lifestyle factors, smoking, poor diet, or lack of skincare. Let's have a detailed discussion about it. As we age, the production of the collagen and elastin proteins that provide skin's firmness and elasticity, fat pads in the face shifts downwards over time, leading to sagging. The skin becomes thinner and less able to maintain its structure, contributing to jowl. Genetics. Developing jowls can depend on genetics, including skin type, bone structure, and how your skin ages. Lifestyle factors, prolonged UV exposure accelerates collagen breakdown and skin aging. Smoking damages collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging and sagging. Significant weight loss or frequent fluctuations can cause the skin to stretch and lose its ability to bounce back. Posture and facial movements, constantly looking down at the phones or screens, tech neck can strain the neck and jawline, promoting sagging due to poor posture. Repeated facial movements over time can contribute to the skin laxity. Dehydration and poor nutrition. We all know lack of hydration reduces skin elasticity, but still we fail to maintain. Diets low in vitamins like C and E and antioxidants can impair skin repair and health due to poor diet. Hormonal changes. Menopause declines the estrogen levels, reduces skin thickness and collagen production, contributing to jowl. Structural and environmental factors, aging can lead to bone resorption in the jawline, reducing structural support for the skin. Environmental pollutants can damage the skin barrier and accelerate aging. How can we prevent sagging of the skin in this area in the first place? Preventing jowls involve maintaining healthy skin, strengthening the underlying structures of the face, and adopting habits that minimizes factors contributing to sagging. While you can't completely avoid them due to natural aging, there are ways you can delay their onset or reduce their severity naturally. Protect your skin. Apply a broad spectrum SPF 30 or plus daily to protect skin from UV damage, which accelerates collagen breakdown. Wear hats and sunglasses to shield your face from sun and avoid excessive sun exposure. Use products ingredients like vitamin C to neutralize free radical damage from pollution and UV light. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Drink enough water to keep skin plump and hydrated. Focus on foods rich in collagen, boosting nutrients, vitamin C, oranges, broccoli, and zinc, nuts, seeds, antioxidants, blueberries, spinach, and green tea to combat skin damage. Healthy fats, avocados, fish, and nuts to maintain skin elasticity. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol as they accelerate skin aging and collagen loss. Exercise regularly. Facial exercises strengthen the muscles around the jawline and cheeks to provide better support for chin tucks, chewing motions, or puckering and holding your lips. Overall fitness promotes better blood circulation and skin health. Maintain a healthy weight. Avoid drastic weight changes as rapid weight loss or gain can stretch the skin, making it more prone to sag. Focus on steady weight management by combining balanced diet and regular exercise. Practice good posture. Avoid technique by looking down at the screen for a longer time as they can strain the neck and jawline, worsening sagging. Keep your head elevated and be mindful of your posture, especially during prolonged screen use. Establish a skincare routine. Moisturize regularly to keep your skin hydrated. Everything we go through and can see happening on our skin is apparently related to our gut. What we consume, how we consume on daily basis has a major impact on our outer layers. So eating foods that support skin's elasticity, boost collagen production, and protect skin premature aging. A nutrient rich diet can help maintain firm healthy skin, and delay the onset job. Consume foods that boost collagen and elastin. Why? Because collagen and elastin are essential proteins that maintain skin firmness and elasticity. What to eat? Bone broth, rich in collagen if you are a non-vegetarian, then only. Don't worry, vegetarians have a pretty great options too. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits for vitamin C, which aids collagen synthesis, leafy greens, spinach, kale for antioxidants and vitamin C, bell peppers, strawberries, broccoli for additional vitamin C sources. Include foods rich in antioxidants in your diet. Why? Because antioxidants neutralizes free radicals that damage skin and accelerate aging. So it's a total win-win. What to eat? Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. If you don't find them, you can go for the second best thing, that is pomegranate. It won't give you results like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, but will meet the needs to certain extent. Dark chocolate. Check on the ingredients so you don't indulge into sugar-filled one, as there are many dark chocolates in the market which say no sugar but added substitutes that are worse than sugar and does more harm than good. I have a whole video on what sugar does to your body and the names of its substitutes, which you won't believe are more than 60 names. So do check out, as it may help in your journey to stay healthy. Coming back to dark chocolate, 90% and above, 1 cube a day is what you should have. If you like the taste, just like me, you can have more than that, but in a limit. Green tea, it contains catechins, powerful antioxidants. Beware of green teas with caffeine though. Tomatoes rich in lycopene, which protects against sun damage. Include healthy fats for skin hydration. Why? Because omega-3 fatty acids and other healthy fats keep skin supple and reduce inflammation. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, nuts and seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, avocados rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Include hydrating foods. Why? Dehydration can make skin appear saggy and dull all the time. So eat cucumbers, watermelon and celery for high water content, coconut water for natural hydration, leafy greens and soups for additional hydration. Let's dive into foods with skin supporting vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A promotes skin renewal and repair. Sources are sweet potatoes, carrots, and pumpkins. Vitamin E protects skin from oxidative damage. Sources are almonds, sunflower seeds, and olive oil. Zinc aids in tissue repair and collagen production. Sources are oysters, chickpeas, cashews. Silica supports collagen production and skin elasticity. Sources are bananas, oats, brown rice. Include protein for skin structure. Why? Because amino acids in protein are building blocks of collagen. Have eggs, chicken, turkey. Plant-based options are lentils, beans, tofu. Avoid skin aging foods. Why? Because certain foods can deplete skin health and accelerate saggy. Limit, or better try to quit, sugar and refined carbs, as they can damage collagen via glycation. Including everything in your diet previously mentioned that does good to your body won't give any desired results if sugar is not being avoided. Replace it with dates, nutritious and adds a value. Avoid excessive salt, which can cause dehydration and puffiness. French fries, packaged foods or snacks which are high in salt should be avoided. You might not feel salty while eating, but they sure add a lot. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Incorporate herbal teas or infused water for added hydration benefits, such as chamomile, hibiscus, etc. Check out sample diet plan in the description below to get an idea. By focusing on a diet that supports skin health, you can maintain firmer, more elastic skin and delay the onset of jowls. Combine a healthy diet with lifestyle changes like staying active and protecting your skin from sun for the best results. Facial massages and face yoga can help reduce the appearance of jowls by improving blood circulation, stimulating collagen production, and strengthening the facial muscles. Regular practice can tone the muscles and lift the skin in the jawline and cheek area. Refer to the face massages and face yoga mentioned in the description below. Practice consistently for better results. And for best results, perform these massages and exercises 3 to 5 times a week. At least use a gentle oil or moisturizer during the massage to prevent tugging on the skin. Be consistent. Results typically appear after few weeks of regular practice. Combined with good posture, hydration, and a healthy diet for better outcomes. Avoid eating anything that can ruin your journey to a better health and better life. So that was it, guys. I thank you all for supporting. If you love this video, hit like and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye.